Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to change the Google Drive upload date. Have you ever needed to change the upload date of a file in Google Drive, only to find out that it's not a feature Google Drive supports? If you've been in that situation, you know how frustrating it can be. Google Drive automatically sets timestamps based on when a file is uploaded or last modified, which can be a pain if you're trying to reorganize your files or highlight a specific document. Luckily, there's a workaround that can help you achieve your goal, and that's what we're diving into today. Let's get started by exploring how you can effectively change the upload date using a clever method. The key here is to simulate the upload of a new file. By doing this, you can make your document appear as if it was just added to Google Drive. Here's how you can do it, step by step. First, locate the file in your Google Drive that you want to change the date for. Download this file by right-clicking it and selecting the option to download. This action saves a copy of the file to your computer, allowing you to work with it independently from the original timestamp in your drive. Make sure to note where this file downloads on your computer so you can easily find it later. Now, before moving forward, you have an optional step to consider. Decide whether or not you want to delete the original file from your Google Drive. If you wish to keep things tidy and avoid potential confusion, you can delete the original file. However, if you're unsure or prefer to have a backup, you can move the original file to a temporary folder within your drive. This way, it's still accessible if needed in the future. Once you have the downloaded file ready, it's time to upload it back into Google Drive. Head over to your Google Drive homepage and click on the New button located at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose File Upload. Navigate to the location where you saved the downloaded file, select it, and proceed with the upload. By doing this, Google Drive will treat the file as if it's entirely new, setting the current date as the upload date. This strategic approach can be particularly useful for organizing projects, drawing attention to specific files, or simply keeping your drive neat and up to date. It's important to note that this method doesn't alter the content of the file itself. It merely changes its appearance in terms of upload date. This trick is especially handy for managing extensive collections of documents where timelines play a crucial role. And there you have it. Changing the upload date of a file in Google Drive might initially seem like a challenging task, but with this simple method, you can navigate the system with ease. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to change the Google Drive upload date quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.